Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Please like, share, and don't forget to subscribe. I'm back with.
Will you ever leave your husband for cheating?
No. 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 Me. No.
I realized, oh, you stopped. She stopped because she's been separated from her husband for a very long time. And when I say she's divorced, I'm not talking about Uri. She's going through a divorce. She is a divorced woman. Whoa, I mean,
When a guys about see after God fear men, men will embarrass you. Men will embarrass you. Usually, what when I wear and when I can't get cancelled, your man is an honest man. Don't, and dragging people who are divorced just because when you're married and ngicabanga ukuthi divorce angeke ithole. Cha guys. We may be out here blaming Owami for ukuhleka upromise ukuthi udivosile and stuff. Upromise Owami angakahili nokuhila guys. She interviewed a boyfriend in her ex-husband Owami. I'm saying there's always two sides of a story. Guys, as women, just because when you are that high, everything is going in your way, everything, yabo. Ungabo dragela omunye umuntu phansi. Because a page always flips. Incwadi ihlezi flipper guys. Ihlezi flipper. You may think ubhale kahle that side, but izinto ozozibhala the next side, they will not match nalezinto ozibhalile the other side. So asiye ke lento ezabafazi ukuthi umuntu makadivosile and wena ushadile, you think you're better than lo odivosile. Akazibekanga kuleyo situation, whether it's cheating, whether it's financial issues, whatever. You're not better than anyone. Yes, you're an interviewee for abantu abayenzani, an interviewer for abantu abashadile. Kodwa masodrag abantu abadivosile, don't you think nawe uzofika lapho? Because most of the time abantu laba bemishado laba ama-interviewer wemishado, I think usuke desperate, like afuna i-husband yakhe ihlale naye. And also lokhu bhizi ukhuluma ngomshado. Obviously uma ukhuluma ngomshado you attract indoda yakho, but men leave. Kere men will leave you in a dry desert until ubhizi uchoma. And I think masibhekisisa kahle le situation yakhe, I think uhlukane ne-husband yakhe because of financial issues maybe. Because uthi angeke ahlukane naye because of cheating. If it's not financial issues, maybe guy ufuna move on with someone new or whatever reason she may have, and everything under this video is allegedly. Guys, let's hope we are healed, Shem. But next time I found out to not turn a situation yabantu into a joke, because you don't know your day. You don't know. Thank you guys for watching. What are your thoughts on this?